Well, Dave, an idiom I have today for you is a lagan kaintje is Turmjarok, Turhamjarok. That's when two cigarettes, when someone is smoking a cigarette. What that I condone that. I I don't smoke myself. I have never have nor intend to. So you Turham Jarok, the bit of the cigarette that's lit has kind of a red glow to it. You use that to light the other cigarette. So when people are out at the pub or wherever, and someone mightn't have a lighter, they say, "Oh, Turm Jarok," and the other person will come and light the cigarette for the other person using his own cigarette or her own cigarette. Sné mar se an héine agus sanní slán go fóil.